Hi there, looking for protein rich meals? Here's a protein pulao that's delicious, super easy to make, and is a great vegetarian option. Everyone loves it. With a little prep ahead, you'll be able to make it in no time at all. Shall we begin? If you like the recipe, do subscribe and click the bell icon for updates. I'm using 1 cup of Rajma. This is cooked. You could use any variety of Rajma or kidney beans. 75 grams of paneer that I have cut into cubes and sprinkle some chaat masala and red chili powder. Handful of soya nuggets, cooked and sliced. Some boiled peas and carrots. You could also add in other vegetables if you like. 1 medium-sized onion sliced thinly. Half a cup of mung sprouts. Some chopped coriander leaves and stalk, 1 teaspoon of grated ginger and about 3/4 teaspoon of grated garlic, chopped green chilies according to taste, 1 cup of chopped red tomatoes, half a teaspoon each of Kashmiri red chili powder, haldi powder and garam masala powder, 3/4 teaspoon of chaat masala powder, 1 heaped teaspoon of coriander powder, dhania. To temper the oil, I am using 1 teaspoon of shah jeera. You could also use the regular jeera in its place. 1 star anise, mace, javitri, 3 green cardamoms and a few peppercorns. A bay leaf and a stick of cinnamon. 3 cups of cooked basmati rice that I have left on a tray to cool. A handful of toasted sunflower seeds and a handful of toasted almonds. 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil. Let's temper it first. As soon as they release the aroma, add in the onion. And the green chilies. Season with a bit of salt and cook till they are lightly browned. So the onions are done. Time for tomato. The tomatoes are cooked. So now add in the ginger and garlic and the dry spices. Lower the heat and cook till the raw smell goes away. That hardly takes any time. And now let's add in the sprouts first because these are not cooked. If you are using raw veggies, add them in so that they get cooked before we add the rice. Let's add in the soya nuggets that are sliced and the veggies. Cook for a couple of minutes and then add in the rajma. Season with salt. Toss it around for a minute or 2. Now everything is cooked here. We'll add in the paneer later. Sunflower seeds, chopped almonds. These are roasted, dry roasted. Mix well and this mixture is ready for the rice. I'll add in a bit of rice at first. If you like the video, share it with your friends and write your feedback in the comment section. Then add in the rest of it. Again, a bit of salt for the rice. The veggies have salt. Mix gently. You do not want to break up the rice grains. Coriander leaves. Turn off the heat. Mix lightly once again. Finally, add in the paneer pieces. And that's it. Drizzle a bit of ghee on top right before you plate it. Some chopped nuts on top. And a few coriander leaves for garnish. Slice of lime or lemon. Serve it hot with curd, pickle, papad, and enjoy!